Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that can make a huge difference if you're on a weight loss journey: low-calorie fruits. Not only are fruits delicious and refreshing, but they are also packed with essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and fiber. These fruits are low in calories, which means they can help you feel full and satisfied without sabotaging your diet. So, if you're looking for healthy, low-calorie snack options, this video is for you. 1. Watermelon. Watermelon is a true summer favorite and one of the best low-calorie fruits you can eat. It contains about 90% water, making it incredibly hydrating and perfect for keeping you refreshed. A cup of watermelon only has 46 calories, so it's an excellent option when you want something sweet without consuming too many calories. Plus, it's rich in antioxidants like lycopene, which is great for your heart health. 2. Strawberries. Strawberries are not only sweet and juicy, but also super low in calories. With only 32 calories per 100 grams, they are packed with vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. These nutrients can help boost your immune system and promote healthy skin. They're perfect for adding smoothies, salads, or just enjoying them as a quick snack. 3. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is one of the top fruits for weight loss. With just 42 calories per 100 grams, it's packed with vitamin C, fiber, and other essential nutrients. Grapefruit is also known to help improve digestion and reduce appetite, making it a great choice for anyone trying to lose weight. Studies have even shown that eating grapefruit can help lower insulin levels, which is key in managing weight. 4. Cucumber. Although often considered a vegetable, cucumber is technically a fruit, and it's extremely low in calories. With only 16 calories per 100 grams, cucumber is mostly made up of water, making it great for hydration. Its high water content also helps you feel full longer, which can prevent overeating and help with weight loss. You can add cucumber to salads, make refreshing cucumber water, or simply eat it raw as a snack. 5. Apples. Apples are one of the most popular and accessible fruits, and for good reason. A medium-sized apple contains about 95 calories and is a great source of fiber, which helps you feel full and satisfied for longer periods. The high water content in apples also contributes to their ability to hydrate your body and curb hunger. Plus, apples are rich in antioxidants that promote overall health. 6. Blueberries. Blueberries are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients, making them a great choice for anyone looking to lose weight. With only 57 calories per 100 grams, they are low in calories but high in fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants. Blueberries are known for their ability to support heart health and improve brain function. Add them to yogurt, smoothies, or enjoy them on their own as a snack. 7. Oranges. Oranges are a refreshing fruit that's rich in vitamin C, which supports the immune system and helps maintain healthy skin. One medium orange contains around 62 calories, making it a low-calorie, yet nutritious option for your diet. Oranges are also high in fiber, which can help regulate digestion and keep you feeling full throughout the day. Kiwi. Kiwi is a small, green fruit that's packed with nutrients. With only 61 calories per 100 grams, it's a great source of vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. Kiwi is known for its digestive benefits, as it contains an enzyme called actinitin that helps break down protein in your digestive system. Eating kiwi regularly can promote healthy digestion, boost your immunity, and help with weight loss. Nine, raspberries. Raspberries are one of the best fruits you can eat for weight loss. With just 52 calories per 100 grams, they're not only low in calories, but also high in fiber and antioxidants. Raspberries are also known to improve digestion, regulate blood sugar levels, and help reduce inflammation in the body. They're perfect for snacking, adding to oatmeal, or topping your favorite dessert. 10, plums. Plums are delicious, low-calorie fruits that are perfect for anyone looking to shed a few pounds with only 46 calories per 100 grams. Plums are rich in fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants. They can help regulate digestion, lower cholesterol levels, and support your overall health. You can eat plums as a snack or add them to salads, smoothies, or desserts. Conclusion. As you can see, these 10 low-calorie fruits are not only delicious and nutritious, but also perfect for helping you stay on track with your weight loss goals. By including these fruits in your daily diet, you'll enjoy satisfying snacks without the added calories. Remember, a healthy diet is all about balance, so make sure to combine these fruits with other nutrient-rich foods for the best results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more healthy tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.